Hi guys, welcome to Tech Electronics. New best finds of must-haves products from Aliexpress haul. All links to the products in the description below the video. QUELL Real Fitness Gaming. QUELL is the first game to offer you a high-intensity, resistance-based combat workout at home. Travel through an exciting fantasy world fighting enemies with your bare hands and get fit at the same time. Just slip on the lightweight gauntlet wearable and start in under a minute. You'll feel every punch like it's real thanks to customizable resistance and high-performance motion tracking. Each session with QUELL burns more calories than running, cycling, or a spin class. After each fight, you'll be able to see how you're improving through clear metrics like calories burned, punch speed, strength and accuracy. QUELL will also analyze your form, teaching you the foundations of good boxing technique as you play. What's more, the workouts you do elsewhere aren't wasted. QUELL rewards you for your efforts in your favorite fitness apps with character progression and unique items. As you and your character grow stronger, you'll take on tougher challenges to earn exciting new moves and equipment. Personalize your character to play the way you want to play. Unlock new in-game gauntlets to show off your latest achievements and gain access to ever more powerful moves and skills. Louis Vuitton Horizon Light Up Speaker beautiful and compact enough to be carried as an accessory. The creative design showcases Louis Vuitton's heritage and artisanal craftsmanship, while demonstrating the Maison's unconventional approach to creating beauty in an everyday object. The new Louis Vuitton Horizon Light Up Speaker reinvents the world of portable audio. At home, it is an art object in metal and noble leather, adorned with the house's emblematic signatures. In use, a colorful light show synchronizes to the beat, with a digital interpretation of the iconic monogram flower. With its wireless connectivity and high-quality 360-degree sound, it is an elegant and discreet travel companion, perfectly in tune with Louis Vuitton's spirit of travel. Baseus USB Type-C hub instantly turns your iPad Pro or iPad Air 4 port to HDMI USB 3.0 SD card reader slot, micro SD card reader slot, 3. 5mm audio port, USB-C PD port, to mirror and extend screen, to transfer photos, videos and data, to listen and charge sync, and to connect a keyboard or thumb drive. This multi-port hub works with 11-inch 12.9-inch iPad Pro and iPad Air 4. USB 3.1 Gen 1 port with 5 gigabits per second super speed data transfer, USB-C powered 60W fast charge, convenient access to files from SD and micro SD card. Experience crystal clear HDMI video on compatible monitors for brilliant high-resolution display. Supports high-resolution 4K HDMI display 30 Hz. The 3.5mm headphones jack keeps you focused on call or music. Baseus WM01 TWS wireless headphones. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 with TWS technology on both Bluetooth earbuds provides faster pairing, stable connection and signal transmission. Also own fast and stable transmission without tangling. Touch control one-step pairing features with touch control sensors. Baseus WM01 headset can largely minimize the pressure to your ears when you touch the button for various functions. Hi-fi stereo sound, natural and authentic sound performance with getting a clear mid-range and a balanced bass and treble performance. Air purifiers for home smart Wi-Fi LEVOIT. The top-performing LEVOIT Core 400S Smart True HEPA air purifier can purify large rooms, such as bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and basements. Filtration includes a pre-filter, H13 True HEPA filter, which traps viruses, bacteria, pollen dust, and pet dander, and a custom high-efficiency activated carbon filter that helps neutralize odors, cooking, and wildfire smoke, and VOCs. Powerful air purification during allergy and wildfire seasons helps capture allergens that cause sneezing, congestion, breathing difficulties, and other symptoms. The laser dust sensor scans the surrounding air for airborne particles, continuously updating the PM2.5 display and creating graphs in the V-Sync app so you can see how your air quality has improved. Program the air purifier to use different modes and fan speeds at certain times, so you can have your week plan in advance. Featuring a foldable keyboard, sliding mouse, and protective case, POC combo. The latest portable keyboard and mouse combination from DELUX. Minimalist and practical, POC Combo has everything you need in the office while being as light and small as possible. You can easily put this portable compact device in your pocket and bring it on the go without any effort. In addition, its innovative design and multi-connectivity allow you to work seamlessly on multiple devices. Get ready to boost your productivity in any scenario with POC Combo. Thanks to the pocket-sized and lightweight structure, you can take POC Combo with you on the go and be prepared for unexpected emergencies at work. In addition, the 2-in-1 sliding mouse allows you to perform effectively in the office and at meetings. In addition, the multi-compatibility of POC Combo allows 3 devices to be connected simultaneously via Bluetooth and to switch effortlessly between multiple devices. Whether in the home office, at meetings, or on a business trip, just take it out and immerse yourself in the high efficiency and work productivity. XGO Mini is a desktop-sized AI quadruped robot with 12 degrees of freedom which can achieve omnidirectional movement, 6-dimensional posture control, stable posture, and a variety of motions. XGO Mini has fully functional AI modules which can facilitate both entry and advanced-level AI applications. The AI modules come with the features of visual recognition, voice recognition, and gesture recognition, giving XGO Mini the ability to hear, recognize and reply to users like a real dog. XGO Mini's AI module has a built-in Kendryte K210 chip, featuring RISC-V processor architecture, audiovisual, standalone IP core, and strong programmability. It supports images, audio, video, machine learning models, and other types of materials stored in a micro SD card. Based on inverse kinematics, XGO Mini's 12 active joints enable it to move forward, backward, left, and right and support omnidirectional movement and the superposition of motion in multiple directions. XGO Mini, as a quadruped robot, can mimic the motion of a dog walking and has certain advantages like walking on uneven terrain and extremely rough surfaces. It can even adapt to avoid obstacles by adjusting its height. With its unique bionic system, XGO Mini can perform any dynamic movement. QUELL EGO is the world's first 3D camera for instant immersion. Using stereo 3D technology and magnetic design, the camera lets you capture moments like never before. With the detachable magnetic 3D viewer, QUELL EGO is the only headset-free 3D camera. Once the 3D viewer is attached to the camera, the system automatically enters the playback mode. You can then relive all of your precious memories. QUELL EGO has 2 lenses that capture the world just as you see it to provide an ultra-realistic 3D experience for photos and video. Now, the most important moments in your life will no longer be limited to 2 dimensions. QUELL EGO mimics the interpupillary distance of human eyes, 65 mm, creating images with the depth and realism that virtually replicates the experience of the physical world. Double the fun when you're with friends. Have you ever wished she was here at a certain point in your life? The sharing feature of QUELL EGO makes your wish come true. Users can effortlessly share 3D content via a unique PIN code. The footage is also compatible with YouTube and major 3D TVs and headsets. Nubia Watch Foldable Flexible Display. Nubia Watch uses a 401 AMOLED screen to provide a larger visual area, allowing users to see more information at a glance. That means better visual experiences and more interactions. With the 401 foldable flexible display, the 14.2mm ultra-thin watch body is pushed the limits of design and craftsmanship. Elegant, soft, and durable. Work with your phone together to answer phone calls, receive text messages without having to worry about missing any important information. Display several incoming and outgoing messages on one single screen and support both handwriting, voice input method. Multiple sports modes for many outdoor, indoor and training activities. The Nubia Watch is ready to make it possible. With the lower power consumption system, Nubia Watch provides a long battery life to keep up with wherever you go. Beautiful outside, robust inside. The Nubia Watch can store up to 8 GB ROM and easily pair with your Nubia earphone. Professional health monitoring modules help you real-time monitor your health conditions through advanced arithmetic and high-precision sensing abilities. The support of multiple sports modes and real-time feedback of sports data can help you better improve your sporting performance. The infinitely customizable universal remote OvaMode, a powerful and intuitive way to control all the digital devices in your life. OvaMode is an innovative wireless controller which turns traditional home appliances into smart home devices in seconds. It is an N-in-1 universal remote control that combines all the functions of traditional remote controls into one. No matter how many remote controls you have, OvaMode replaces all of them for a more convenient life. All control and switching functions are simplified into a few touches on OvaMode. Throw away traditional remotes and use OvaMode to enjoy total control of your home. Seamlessly connecting multiple devices is now a reality. OvaMode works with not only entertainment audio and video equipment but also for smart home control, smart lighting, thermostats, smart home hubs, and the most popular smart devices. Laser engraver cutter with infinite work area. We are thrilled to introduce the Spider M1, a powerful and portable laser engraver cutter with infinite work area. M1 redefines the capabilities of laser engraving cutting. The infinite Y-axis means that there is no need to constantly reposition material for projects with long lengths. It works infinitely along the Y-axis to engrave and cut on any sized project. Spider M1 gives extreme flexibility, and its ability to work 24 hours a day 7 days a week means it can support your endless creativity. You can engrave and cut for long items. You can now have the convenience of a portable art studio anytime and anywhere. Spider M1 is an elegant integration of technology where power and beauty coexist perfectly. Portable, space-saving, and weighing only 3 kilograms, Spider M1 is the best tool to give you access to the creative world. With a stylish bag included, it is easy to carry anywhere, empowering you with the versatility of engraving on the go. Featuring premium quality and modern style, Spider M1 is the ultimate laser engraver. Start engraving within seconds. You don't need to be a professional artist or designer to get creative with laser engraving. The integrated design allows you to engrave anytime without the need for time-consuming assembly. With the Spider M1 laser engraver, anyone can tap into their creativity. With a user-friendly design, Spider M1 provides professional-grade engraving that's easy enough for anyone to use. The Infinity feature is all about unlocking possibilities. From small to big, from round to square, from short to long, Spider M1 can handle it all by controlling every aspect of the production process. If you are in the market for a portable desktop laser engraver and cutting solution capable of working with a wide variety of different materials, Spider M1 is your best choice. PowerRay Wizard Underwater Drone with 4K UHD Camera. Innovative underwater drone designed for everyone who wants to explore the underwater world, whether it be for professional or recreational purposes. Deep dive, the PowerRay can dive as deep as 98 feet underwater. The PowerRay base station has a 230 feet long waterproof tether connected to the vehicle. Camera, the fully integrated 4K UHD camera shoots 12 MP still photos. Burst mode shoots up to 5 frames per second. Equipped with a 64GB SD card. Depth range 80 m. Use the PowerSeeker fish finder sonar and magnetic bait drop to locate and place bait at any desired position. The PowerVision edition of VR goggles offer you a brand new underwater experience in immersed first-person view. This 12-inch FHD triple monitor screen with IPS technology gives you brilliant images and unforgettable quality. With a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080, you'll experience high image accuracy, rich screen colors, and a wide viewing spectrum of premium tablets while reducing blue light eye fatigue. Nubia Q11 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Equipped with a 250 ml dust box and a 300 ml water tank, it can sweep, mop and vacuum at the same time. built-in electric mopping system allows it to monitor and control the water level according to the dryness and wetness of the floor, no worry to wet your rugs. Nubia vacuum robot with a 4-stage strong suction cleaning system can sweep up dirt, crumbles, pet hair from hard floor and carpet like a hurricane. Coming with the auto-empty base, Nubia QUELL can deposit the debris in the dust box right into the 5L disposable dust bag automatically. Nubia QUELL can mop while vacuuming. The 300 ml water tank inside the robot can provide moisture to the mop so the robot can easily get rid of footprints or any other stubborn stains. The dust box empties automatically, saving time and effort in cleaning. Its 5-liter disposable dust bag is easy to place and only needs to be replaced every 30 days. The base station also serves as a charging station. Whenever the robot is docked in, it is charging. Super Base V is the first and only home energy storage system with semi-solid-state batteries for greater storage capacity and superior safety. With dual 120V/240V output, dual input up to 600W, the industry's fastest solar charging performance, seamless UPS feature, and customizable systems with up to 64 kWh of storage capacity, Super Base V ensures you are supercharged anytime, anywhere. Super Base V is the first plug-and-play home energy storage system designed for the whole house. A customizable energy ecosystem with user-centric design and revolutionary technology, Super Base V sets a new standard for home energy storage. The Super Base V6400 has a storage capacity of 4 kWh, 438 Wh. The maximum configuration for Super Base V6400 includes 2 base units and 8 satellite batteries for a total capacity of 64 kWh. This is enough energy to power a typical household for a week or more. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on the bell please. Thank you very much for watching this video.